Hello, hey guys, welcome back and welcome to a new video. This week we are doing something special. Let me just move a little bit so that you can see me. So this week we are doing something a little bit special. I am going to wear or show you guys how I'm styling this skirt for the whole week at work. I am actually not a big fan of wearing things all over and all over again, so I like to switch things up a little bit. But this week I'm trying something new, so I'm wearing the same skirt 5 times this week. That means from Monday to Friday, like a normal work week for me. And let's see how I style it. The thing is, at work I can't wear short skirt, I can't wear spaghetti straps or some things like that. It has to look formal, like at its best. So that's why for today, which is Monday, I am styling this skirt. The skirt actually comes with the belt. I'm not sure about what I'm going to do tomorrow, but the skirt comes with the belt. I really love the skirt. It's a cotton skirt in brown. It has this paper bag detail, and yeah, I found it. I am a really big fan, so that's why I came up with this idea. So first day of the week, Monday, I am styling it this way. I'm just wearing a simple button-up leopard print shirt. It's actually a men's shirt. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really simple, short sleeve men's shirt. The belt is it just came with the skirt, and I am actually these are the shoes I would definitely wear with this outfit, but I can't because wearing heels at work, it's not practical for me. So for this outfit I switched it up. Wait, but let me show you the sandals first. They are really simple. They are these naked sandals with square toe, and yeah, I feel like I'm going to show you guys a little close-up of the shoe. So with this square toe, and like I said, I will definitely wear these shoes with this outfit, but for work that's not what I did. What I did is I wore these red ballerinas. So what I did is I wore these red ballerinas for work, which are really practical and really simple, and they bring a little touch of color on the outfit. So this is actually what my outfit looked like today. Really simple, really practical. Love the print. I wore the red ballerina to go with the outfit just because I wanted a little bit of color, and yeah, it's really simple, really comfortable, practical work outfit. So this is my outfit for Monday. Just keep watching to see what I wore for the rest of the week. But if you're following me on Instagram, you're probably going to see all the outfits. But yeah, just to tell you guys that you should follow me on Instagram because I post daily work outfits when I have time during the morning. And yeah, just keep up and let's see what I wear for the next outfits. So guys, today is Tuesday and I am still wearing the same skirt. This is a little bit hard for me, and it has only been 2 days, but I'm just going to continue to have a little bit of fun with this skirt, and you'll see how I can style it the whole week. And that's why I styled it with pink today, because I feel like pink and beige or brown work well together. So I added this pink blouse. I added this pink blouse that you have already seen on my Instagram or my YouTube videos, and I added this belt with a little bit of strass on the front. Love the details. It's not really pink, but it goes well with the whole outfit. And I added these metallic pink derbies that I own, that I really like. And yeah, that's my outfit for today. I'm a little bit tired because my allergies are getting the best of me today, but I just wanted to show you guys what I did on Tuesday. So this is my second outfit for the week with the same skirt. I was going to say the same rock, like you say skirt in German, but the same skirt. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys some little close up on the different items I'm wearing right now, so keep watching. So guys, today is Wednesday. It's Wednesday, and this is my look for today with the same skirt. I felt like I just wanted to wear a vest today, but I actually wanted to wear it without a shirt underneath, but it was too cold this morning, so that's why I added this white shirt underneath. And I really like the effect. It looks really, how do you see it? It's really simple. And then I added these leopard print slingbacks. And if you follow me on Instagram, you have already seen the outfit, but it's okay. So this is my third outfit for this week with the same skirt. Really simple, but I feel like if it's a little bit more warm, you can wear the vest without a shirt or just with the top underneath, and then close the buttons, and it's still a great look. I really like this look. I like the pattern clashing. It's really simple. I love the details on the shirt, and yeah, this is my third outfit this week with the same skirt. So see you tomorrow for the next outfit. Hello. So this is Thursday morning, coffee mug in the hand, and this is my look for today. I thought about this look yesterday to go a little bit faster this morning, and I just wanted to keep it a little bit, it's still really simple. So I added this leopard print blazer and my Nike black and white Cortez sneakers, and underneath the blazer I have this black top, and I added the belt from the skirt to the blazer to complete the outfit. So this is my look for Thursday. I don't know if you need a little close up, so I'm showing you the blazer. So this is what the blazer look like. This is actually a thrifted blazer from, I don't know, from Mango, something like that. And I really like how it was tailored. So I really love the blazer. I added the belt to complete the outfit because the skirt is really long, and that's why I felt like I needed a belt on this outfit. But of course you can open the blazer and just wear the belt on the skirt and it's still going to work. So this is my fourth outfit this week. I didn't think that I could do it, but we are finally here. Just one more to go, and yeah, and let me show you the shoes. Really simple. I just don't want to wear heels right now, so that's what my fourth look looks like. So see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So today is Friday. This is finally our last day for this little challenge. Still wearing the same skirt, and today I added this blouse with the bow on the neck because it's supposedly going to rain, and I don't know if it's going to be cold or not. I wanted to wear a t-shirt today, but I feel like it's going to be a little bit too cold for that. So that's why I chose this blouse, and I added this little pump. So I added this blue pump, this baby blue pump to the outfit to go with it. I'm still wearing the same accessories, and when it comes to work, I almost always wear some minimalistic accessories like gold earrings, like the one I showed you on Monday or Tuesday, and my watch. I sometimes add necklaces, but it doesn't happen that often, so that's why I'm wearing this puff sleeve blouse with the blue stripes and the same skirt. I kept the belt from the skirt and I added this pump, like I said. So this is another simple look. Like if it was going to be a little bit more colder, it's a bit colder, I would have added a trench coat, but I'm not sure about that, so that's why I just wore the blouse and the pumps. So this is my final look and my last look for this week. I hope you like it. Tell me in the comments which look you liked the most, and if you're the kind of person who wear the same items for work over and over, like many times during the week, or if you like to change the items you wear, or if you are kind of a minimalistic person too. So thank you for watching. Find me on Instagram at TheStyleTapes. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment, and I'll see you next week. Bye.